G'day and welcome back to Aussie Built Rides. I'm Anthony and we're out on the road, finally. Gonna have a bit of a muck around. This is our Saturday night fun. We sort of get up in a bit of a car meet and we just screw around town and piss people off. Lovely. Now, you haven't seen this except for in the background, but this is my Vulcan. So it's a 2019 model. I've got it in purple, which is dirty as fuck, and there's like literally dust on the front. So I'm going to the car wash at the moment, and then we will get it all nice and pretty, and then we'll go and see the other guys. I also need to get a bit of fuel. The other guys are chilling over here somewhere. Be able to see some of them over here maybe. Nah, not yet. Oh yeah, I see Tom. So I tried to make a video with Tom the other day, but my GoPro decided to crack the shits. He's got a 300 Ninja, and I think he might be the only guy out with the club tonight that's on a bike. Sadly, Keegan, he's actually the owner of the other Aussie Built Ride bike, which is why you haven't seen it in a while. He's not here, sadly, but you will see that again. But anyway, as we jump into today, I'll take that off. So this is my bike. It's beautiful, lovely purple, saddlebags, big ape hangers on it. Let's get her clean. Now I'm going to go just over there and go get me some petrol as well. Don't get me dirty feet on it. Except for down there. Oh, my feet are all slippery. That's better. Now. Righty, so now she's all clean and pretty and filled up, and my feet are slippery as shit. Time to go to the meet. Was a bit of fun. Do a couple of wheelies. Except I got a wet tyre, so that did not gonna happen. Well, yeah, I can't remember what I was saying before, but this is what we do every Saturday night, and we just call it have fun, cause a bit of havoc. And be stupid. Ooh, it's all wet. So we got a couple of guys that rock up quite regularly. We got another bike here that I know of. There might be more, but at the moment I know of one. And yeah, we'll sit around, we'll have a chat, and then we'll go do a couple of laps, which I will record for you to see. Oh, nice spot, yeah. This is my Vulcan. It's not standard. This is my daily. I take this to work every single day. It's very pretty and very different. I've got the indicators removed from the forks down the bottom there. That's where they should be. And they're up on the bars themselves, which are added as well. The custom bars. When I added the bars, the clutch cable had to come here, so the little bracket here I've actually got to modify, and don't exactly want to drill a hole in my nice one. I've also removed all the shit off the back end, which makes the back end really nice and clean. Alrighty, well, we're on the road already. We're gonna go pick up one of the guys. Something's happened, I'm not too sure, to be honest with you. I got no clue, I'm just following. I don't know if we're gonna have any fun. I'm gonna try and have some fun. I got a new tyre coming on Monday, so the rest of the rubber that's on that back one will not be there by the end of tonight. Yay. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, there's usually some nice cars. I don't think everyone actually had time to rock up because we said 6:30 and it's only 1/4 past. Usually people get there like an hour late, so we got to sit there for ages. But not tonight. Something's happened with one of the guys, so we got to go get him, make sure he's all good. We're sort of a bit of a family, as weird as it sounds, but yeah, if anyone in the group says they need help, we're all coming. What's Tommy doing? Oh, is he fucking texting? What are you doing? He actually almost had me there. So this dude in front of us, he is a nutcase. He rides that thing and he rides it hard. It's a 250 4-cylinder CBR, the old MC. Fuck, he's nuts. And you can see right now, he does have a shirt on, even though you can see his back. He does have a shirt on. He's got no pants on, he's got shorts and thongs. Yep. Yep. So plan is February 14th. We are actually going down to the drags. I am taking this. Hopefully by then I'll actually have all the gear that I should be wearing. I don't know what the fuck are you doing, man? I'm going in this one. Alright, so now we're heading back to the duck ponds to catch the people who may have been just arriving while we left. Yeah, boy. Didn't see shit. There's an accident down on the roundabout. We're going to go under the underground so we can have a look and get a closer view. Yeah, that looks like a fuck stick. Yeah, stand right here. You can see between the cop car and the sign on the ground. Yeah, he's overcooked it coming out of the roundabout. And spun it. Oh, there's a bit of excitement for now. I'm going to take my helmet off and fuck around with everyone else, and then I will get back to yous when we're moving again. Alright, catch it. Alrighty. On the move again. Yeah, so we just sat around and waited for the cops to go and see what was going on there, just be fucking nosy. But they've fucked off now. Is this the side? Yeah, this is the side that was busted. Ooh. He did a little bit. Chopped. Yeah. Yeah, boy. These cunts saw it. Oh, the look on his face. Oh. He was like, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a good one there. God damn. Yes. You can't beat me, Tommy. Gus. Oh, the lights are already out. What? This is early. These don't usually shut out till 10. What the fuck?
My hands just pointed out. See the sign that's up there now?
What's that?
Security, trespassers will be prosecuted.
Does it look legit or does it look like fucking our cleaner dude put it up?
The lights are off.
Yeah, I noticed. I thought that's strange. Can't go fucking disco lights. Rightio, so we're all fucking off now. Not to go home. We're all pissing off under Woolies because it's just starting to rain. Getting under there before it actually comes down. Because obviously there's a couple of us here that want no part in it whatsoever. Yes. Alrighty, so we're moving off again. And this time to do it as I promised. Remove the rubber from the tire. Come on, hurry up. So we're gonna go out to a bit of industrial estate, hopefully, because there's not gonna be any traffic or anything out there. We're gonna park the cars up so it's nice and well lit and get some nice videos. Alright, so if you're watching and you enjoy the sort of shit that goes on, there's probably gonna be a lot more of it. I'm trying to save a shit ton of money so I can get a house and get my own garage and do all that sort of shit. So money's gonna be real tight. You're gonna see this a hell of a lot more. I will be getting a new bike and a new license soon, so I'll be able to ride something that's a lot faster and got a lot more power. So yeah, these videos are probably going to come up a lot more often than anything else for a while. That's weird. So like I said, if you enjoyed this content, please give it a like, give it a comment and say fucking good work or fucking your shit. I really couldn't care less. And subscribe most of all. You guys got to subscribe. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah, man. Ah, look at it. Oh, look at that. That looks fucking cool. Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! I hope you like that. I'm gonna get everyone's videos off them later, and that will be a big fat long montage. That was beautiful. Oh, these tyres don't need to last me till fucking Monday, and then we are sweet. So, like I said, if you liked that, like the video, please. Be a great help. Get more people seeing it and see the sort of shit that you can get up to. So the reason I want to do more of these ride videos and stuff is to show why we build these, why we want custom vehicles that don't run perfectly and do this extra shit and have all this crap. It's so we can do this shit. Alright, so we're all going to meet up at our last spot now. We're not going to be doing another lap or nothing, so there's not going to be much video more or much more for me to record and actually say anything, so oh fucking hell, the Macca's is coming back. So I guess for now I'm going to be out of here. So I'll say the usual that everyone else does: like, comment and subscribe. If you like the video, please share it around to all your mates, let them know what's going on, and let them know to join in, become one of the peoples that watch. And I hope you like the video as well. There's going to be a lot more of these videos coming out, probably not as much burnouts. There is every now and then, and you're just going to have to watch all of them to see when they're there. Yeah, you get it? You get it? Just watch them. Watch them all. It's all fun. It's all fun and games. It's why we do this. It's why we want to build shit, want to make shit different and faster and better and crazy and that sort of shit. This is what we do. It's the fun in it. I guess that takes us out for now. I will catch you guys in the next video, that's for sure. There will be another one coming out, hopefully. I do need to get a hold of Keegan to get a hold of the Aussie Built Rides Ninja, because obviously you haven't seen that since it got finished, and it is on the road, it is riding around, and I actually sold it to a mate of mine, and he will give it back to me so I can do a video on it and whatnot, because he technically bought it before I even finished it. So that's why you saw him in the last build video. He was the one mucking around and helped me put it back together for the final ride, because then he went and rode it, I rode my missus' bike, and yeah, then he took it home, and that was the end of it. So subscribe if you want to stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out shortly, and I hope you have a fucking good one. Catch ya.